Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to contact bowflex customer support team. Okay, so if you have taken any subscription, you want any help related to your subscription, related to your refund, related to your return, so how you can contact with the customer support team. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on their official website. Like you can see, this is the official website of bowflex, and when you scroll down at very bottom side, there is a page also like customer support page. You can see over here, this is the customer support page. I will provide you this link in our video description box also, or you can directly visit on the official website, and there is a button like contact us button. Okay, over on your screen you can simply tap on this button and you can get their phone number and email ID also. And on this page, you can, when you scroll down, you will see this kind of phone number, and you can contact with their team with their phone numbers. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.